that? Is it because there's a special ingredient in it, or is it
Caffeine by
antioxidant?
itself and is antioxidant, and it's also a reduced inflammatory effect. Sometimes you have redness under the eyes. It's good to have a bit of dab under your leftover coffee.
Oh,
You can just
really?
dab over. Yeah, it's a really good tip.
I didn't know that, because I suffer from that all the time. So yes,
lot
I
of
know
us do.
what to do with my coffee grounds. Okay, so what are we looking at here, and what do you have to show us where coffee is concerned in our skincare ritual?
The first that I'm going to do is really good antioxidant and also anti-cellulite. The caffeine in the coffee is really good for create the circulation when it's applied to your skin. So here we're going to do is if you have okay, the leftover coffee ground that you have, okay, just maybe like
So you don't throw it away. You can use it after.
yeah, just maybe 2 or 3 spoonful, and then okay, maybe.
What are you making? You're making a scrub, are you?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Homemade scrub.
homemade anti-cellulite scrub.
Okay.
And okay, and what I'm gonna use is avocado oil. If you have anything at home like